So let's have a quick look at the box and then of course get to the phone itself. Here we can see the fairly minimalist packaging with only N20 and the name of the device printed on the bottom. There is of course the S Pen highlighted prominently, and let's just rip the seal open. And the phone is the first thing that we see right on top. It is surprisingly not covered in plastic or any other protective layer. You can take this sticker off. So immediately we can see that it is flat on the top and bottom and curved on the sides with this extremely prominent camera bulge here at the back. That is quite thick. Let me turn the phone on and put that down while I look at the rest of the box contents. Here's the charger, which is fairly chunky. Then, of course, we have a USB Type-C cable, and that's Type-C on both sides. And finally, I can see an AKG logo, which means that this is the headset. And yes, it is the typical relatively high-end headset with extra ear tips and a braided cable and AKG tuning. This phone also does not have a 3.5mm audio socket, so we get a Type-C connector for the headset. And that's about it. The box is surprisingly simple. We don't get a case. We also do not get extra S Pen tips or